The next general section of the BACB's Guidelines for Responsible Conduct pertains to behavior analysts' ethical responsibility to the field of behavior analysis. Guideline 8.0 states, "The behavior analyst has a responsibility to support the values of the field, to disseminate knowledge to the public, to be familiar with these guidelines, and to discourage misrepresentation by non-certified individuals." 8.0. The behavior analyst's ethical responsibilities to behavior analysis. Applied behavior analysis is still a relatively small field. Therefore, it is important that behavior analysts conduct themselves in a manner that reflects positively on our field. It is not only important that we maintain high standards for our own sakes, but to promote and protect the reputation of behavior analysis in general. It is important that each of us do his or her part to support the values of the field. In addition to ethical guidelines that we have reviewed so far, as well as the 9 core ethical principles we discussed earlier in this presentation, it is equally important that behavior analysts adhere to and promote values such as the use of objective and reliable data, functional assessment, development and implementation of effective interventions, evaluating the effectiveness of those interventions, and working towards producing socially important positive outcomes with our clients. In addition, behavior analysts promote our research methodology and findings to the public and do not misrepresent research outcomes to others. Finally, we monitor our own behaviors as well as those of others in our profession. The following is a listed description of the 4 subsections of Guideline 8 and the BACB's Guidelines for Responsible Conduct. 8.01 Affirming Principles. At the most fundamental level, behavior analysts uphold and advance the values, ethics, principles, and mission of the field of behavior analysis, as well as participate in state and national organizations related to applied behavior analysis. We are obligated to promote the values of our profession, including honesty, integrity, fairness, and the continuing search for inventing the basic principles of behavior in the interest of those we serve. 8.02 Disseminating behavior analysis. As behavior analysts, we strive to assist our profession in making our methodologies, approaches, strategies, and techniques available to the general public, specifically those who would benefit from the research and services available through applied behavior analysis. 8.03 Being familiar with these guidelines. It is important that behavior analysts be familiar with these guidelines, other applicable codes, laws, and regulations pertaining to the profession, as well as the application of these guidelines within the scope of our profession. These guidelines have been implemented in order to assist behavior analysts regarding conduct in their professional lives. Not knowing or understanding our expected standard of conduct is not a viable defense for unethical conduct. 8.04 Discouraging misrepresentation by non-certified individuals. Behavior analysts discourage non-certified practitioners from misrepresenting that they are board-certified behavior analysts, BCBA. The criteria for becoming a BCBA is rather stringent, with exceptionally high standards. Therefore, we are obligated to dissuade individuals from representing themselves as such until they have met the qualifications and passed the exam for becoming a BCBA.